Next experiment is Avery's experiment. Avery, McLeod and McCarthy in 1944 conduct in vitro experiment to prove DNA as the genetic material. Griffith's experiment was in vivo because it was conducted on live host, that is mouse. Here they conduct the experiment in lab in petri dish. So it is in vitro experiment. They culture, they grow all strain Streptococcus bacteria in a culture medium in a petri dish and then add purified biochemicals containing proteins, DNA, RNA, etc. from the heat-killed small strain Streptococcus bacteria. They grow, they culture rough strain or all strain Streptococcus bacteria in the culture medium in a petri dish. To that they add cell-free extract, that is they squeeze the heat-killed smooth strain Streptococcus bacteria and the entire contents are purified and added to the all strain culture or R culture. So that resulted in transformation. So the R strain bacteria they convert into smooth strain bacteria, smooth strain colonies. All the contents from heat-killed smooth strain Streptococcus bacteria are added to the rough strain colonies. Because of the addition of the biochemicals, there is transformation, so that rough strain bacteria they become smooth strain. They develop the capsule. By developing capsule, they become smooth strain. And in these biochemicals, they want to know which is the molecule, which is the actual molecule that makes the conversion of R colonies into S colonies. So they want to test one biomolecule by another. So the entire bacteria contains carbohydrates, proteins, RNA, DNA. These are the biochemicals, these are the biomolecules present in the bacteria. So they want to know which is the actual biomolecule reason for the conversion of R colonies into small colonies. So they use the enzymes. For this experiment, now or not they are using the enzymes. One is protease, next is RNase, and next is DNase. Those are the enzymes that digest the proteins, RNA and DNA. So here they are continuing the experiment by adding the enzymes proteases, RNases and DNases. So they continue the experiment further as follows. To the R strain colonies they are adding cell-free extract or purified extract from the heat-killed S cells. So they are adding rough strain Streptococcus colonies. To that they are adding purified extract from the heat-killed S strain cells. The result is smooth strain colonies. All the cells they develop the capsule. So smooth colonies develop or the cells become smooth by the formation of capsule around their cell wall. And in the next experiment they are adding to the same petri dish containing rough strain Streptococcus and they are adding the purified extract from the heat-killed S cells. So in the next experiment they are having the rough strain Streptococcus colonies and to that they are adding purified extract from the heat-killed smooth cells of the Streptococcus and here they are adding one enzyme called proteases. Proteases are the enzymes that digest proteins. Proteases are the enzymes that digest proteins. Here proteins are digested in the cell-free extract. Only proteins are digested and that results in the formation of smooth colonies or S strain colonies. So here the proteins are not the reason for the formation of capsule. So in this experiment it is proved that proteins are not the reason for the formation of capsule. So proteins are not the genetic material. So in this experiment they are again adding the culture of rough strain bacteria. To that they are adding purified extract from the heat-killed cells of smooth strain bacteria, smooth strain Streptococcus bacteria. So to that they are also adding the enzymes proteases. Proteases digest the proteins. So proteins are digested and proteins are not made to act. So there is formation of smooth strain Streptococcus colonies. So in this experiment we clearly prove that proteins are not the genetic material. And again, in the next experiment, to the same rough stain colonies and adding in purified extract from the heat-killed smooth stain cells, and now they are adding the enzyme RNases. RNases are the enzymes that digest RNA. RNases are the enzymes that digest RNA. So when RNases are added, the RNA is digested, and again they are observing the formation of smooth stain colonies or smooth stain Streptococcus colonies or S stain Streptococcus colonies. Now in this experiment, RNAs are ruled out. RNAs are not the reason. RNA is not the genetic material. So in the previous set of experiment, proteases were used, and that proves proteins are not the reason. And in this experiment, they are adding RNases, so that proves RNA is not the reason for the formation of smooth cells from the rough cells. So rough cells develop the capsule around their cell wall by some other molecule except proteins and RNA. Proteins and RNA are not the reason. And lastly, they are adding to the rough stain Streptococcus colony and purified extract from heat-killed smooth cells, and here they are using the enzymes DNases. DNases are the enzymes that digest DNA. So DNases are added and DNA is digested or broken or split. So here there is no formation of smooth colonies, there is only presence of rough stain colonies. So there is no change from rough stain colonies. So here it is proved that DNA is the reason. When DNAs are digested by DNases, there is no transformation from heat-killed smooth cells to the rough cell colonies, and so there is only presence of rough stain colonies or R stain colonies. So that proves DNA is the genetic material. So as given in the study material, when proteases, RNases were added in the experiment, smooth colonies were found or formed, and when DNases, the enzymes were added, smooth stain colonies were not formed. So this proves DNA is the genetic material. This proves DNA is genetic material. But still, during that time, 1944, people do not agree with this experiment. People are not completely agreed or convinced. People are not completely convinced with this experiment. So that makes one more experiment to prove DNA as a genetic material. So till now there are two experiments. In the first experiment, Griffith conducts in vivo experiment. So he conducts the experiment using rough stain and smooth stain of Streptococcus bacteria, and the host is mouse. On the mouse they are conducting experiment that is in vivo, but our experiment is in vitro. So it is conducted in the petri dish. The bacteria are present in the petri plate in the lab. So it is in vitro. So in vivo is in the live host, and in vitro in the lab or in the culture plate or in the petri plate. So Griffith starts the experiment to prove DNA as a genetic material by the experiment called transformation, and that is followed by the experiment of Avery co-workers. Avery et al. Means Avery co-workers. Avery, Gilliard and McCarthy, they conduct the experiment in the lab. So they are culturing the rough stain bacteria in the petri plates by using the nutrient medium, and to that they are adding the purified extract from the heat-killed smooth cells of smooth stain Streptococcus, and that certainly forms the smooth colonies from rough stain Streptococcus bacteria, and they want to know which is the biochemical that is transferred from the cell-free extract or purified extract. From the purified extract, which is the biochemical, which is the biomolecule reason for transformation of rough cells into smooth cells. It may be protein, it may be RNA, or it may be DNA. So by using enzymes that digest proteins called proteases, RNases that digest RNA, and DNases that digest DNA, one enzyme at a time they are conducting the experiment. When proteases are used, there is formation of smooth colonies. When RNases enzymes are used, there is formation of smooth colonies. But when the enzymes DNases are used, there is no formation of smooth colonies. Only R stain colonies are formed or stayed, and this proves DNA is the genetic material. But people during that time are not completely convinced. So that means the one more experiment Hershey and chases. The last estimate is Hershey and chases.